Okay, now this is something different. We have another box full of, let's begin anyways. Let's see what we can find in here. Let me dump this here on the table. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at this. Emily. So I'm not gonna go through each of, so I'm gonna just count. We have 2, 3, 4. Snow clearing, Emily. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wow. I'm gonna lose the count anyways. So look at that mountain of families. I totally forgot about this. I used to get only the 10 there to make Crovan and Alfred, the custom models. But I think we can find something interesting around these boxes. More Emily. Another one, and another one. What? Wow. Oh, wow. Another Emily. Okay. What is this? This is nothing to do with that. Oh, look at this. This one is a... What's this? I forgot. What's the name of those remote control things? Let me know in the comments. Oh, Geotracks. Yes, Geotracks. So, okay, here is a good model for a restoration. This is Duncan. Yes, I'm gonna take this one home. I need to do some restoration with this model. And I think the only problem is... What's the only problem? I think the electric motor. Oh, there's battery corrosion, so we gotta do something about the battery corrosion. So I'm gonna save this one for restoration. What is this Plarail? Oh, do you guys remember this one with the switch in the front? So I'm gonna find the chassis. Let me know in the comments what's the name of this Plarail or something. I'm gonna save it. Here's another Plarail. I think it's Shinkansen. I don't know. I'm gonna save this one too. I'm gonna put my bag here. Save it. And we have another Chuggington. I know you're Thomas fans and you don't like Chuggington, but anyways. I used to buy on sale of those. Oh, poor Harold. The blades are chewed. Looks like somebody tried to eat it. And here's a Arthur. Arthur is missing the face. Yes, we have the rubber tires, which is good. Oh, look at this really rare find. It's rare for my storage because this one belongs to Tolkien Action Percy. Yeah, Tolkien Action Percy. Sorry, I have the camera the other side, other way. It's not facing my direction. But anyways, I'm gonna save this one. And we found honey. These ones belong to Steam Alone. So I'm gonna save this one too, right over here. And a remote control Thomas. Put it on the side. Here's a Gordon. Good for restorations, fix or repairs or parts. So this one is Hit Toy Company and this one is Tommy. Here we have Percy's shield. Another Talking James tender. I'm gonna use the battery terminals are good, so I'm gonna use the battery terminals. And here's a Talking Thomas. It needs it does have some battery corrosion right here. Oh look, I found a Stepney's middle wheel, so I'm gonna save this one. Oh, here's another talking Thomas. Is it working? No. No. Here's another part for talking Thomas.
Oh, Thomas.
What? What the? Oh, look at that. You hear that? It's working. So I think we can make a talking Thomas out of this tender and this.
I'm the #1 blue engine.
So let me see which one. This one needs some stickers. Both need stickers. So here's what I'm going to do. Since this one it's corroded, I'm just gonna switch the tender and do some restoration. I'm gonna remove the stickers. So I'm gonna take this one home. Okay, Tomas, quiet. Ice cream factory car. What other good find? This one is good for, I think this one was for the Halloween Thomas. Here's another Arthur shell. I think we need to do some custom models for this one. Oh, look, I'm gonna take this one too. Parts, more parts. This one is good for Timothy the Ghost engine. I'm gonna save that one. Oh, look at this one melted. Well, I used to put this on the oven so the paint sticks really good. See? Because if you cure the paint in the oven, it sticks really good. So you need something really hard to scratch it. See? The paint is really bonded. Anyways, Spencer cards. What is this for? Is this for Gordon? Look, we have a good battery terminal right here. That's why I used to save. Oh, I need this one definitely for Thomas. Oh, I think we find the front for the talking Thomas, and this one is much better. So I think I just need to do the rewiring anyways. And here is another one. Is it the same? Talking Thomas? I'm gonna keep it. Oh, look at this one. This one is the clown car. Look how it comes in and out of the tent. When you roll it, the clown slides out in and out of the tent. Very nice. And keep that one. Here is a talking James. Oh, this one is definitely not good. There's a lot of corrosion on the circuit board. So this one, set up on hot wooden. Look at this wooden railway pieces. This one is older, so they do look good. These two, actually this one is better than the other ones. I don't have a use for them for now. What's this? Emily's remote control tender. And look at this. Take and play. Is it take and play? Isabella. Isabella. Nice. I'm gonna save this one. And we have another Hank with the broken side roads. I don't know if that's the right term for side roads, but anyways. Another Plarail. Another Emily. That's a lot of Emily's. And a lot of good, but no, look at this. A mechanic. Is it mechanic or conductor? Conductor. I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna keep it right there. And I need this one. A lot of Arthur chassis. Okay, we got a lot of good finds. Alright, thanks for watching. Over and out.